Hey, how's it going, guys? Diego here. Welcome aboard once again to the LiveWire Riders Facebook page and group. I'm Diego, the guy who kind of runs this place, moderates it, created it, whatever you want to call me. So I'm in the process of installing another carbon fiber piece for you guys here. So at this stage right now, we've had a couple pieces now installed in the bike, plus a seat, a couple things here and there. Now we're gonna go for another nice piece. Let's see what we have here. So at this stage, we have, as we open up the box here, let's get a good angle for you guys here. We're gonna open up the box, we're pulling out. Let's look at the documentation to get some proper wording here for you guys. So according to this, we have the carbon fiber tail section cowl. So there it is. Looks pretty easy. Kit contents, basically it's just the cowl itself. And how does it go on? General modes, fitment operation, race seat, align rear tab, and slot. Okay, so there's a slot that I got to align the tab with. There's some Velcro, and then it goes on there real quick. Here's some graphics of how it goes. And let's try getting this thing on there. So let's have this. We have the rear tail tip. There's the clip that they're talking about. And there's the Velcro. So it's Velcroed on to the back of the bike. So once again, there's our tab. And there's our Velcro that goes around the back of the seat. So let's go check out the fitment on this. So first thing we're gonna do now is raise the seat. So let's go over here, pop the latch, and raise the seat on the bike. There it is. So according to this is to go here, like so. And let's get an angle for you guys here. This kind of goes into just a slide in. It looks like it slides in a way. We don't want to break it. We don't break this, but we want to put it in here. I guess that's the logical step right there. It goes in, it slides down, puts it in, and you can feel it. And I can show you guys. You can probably see this here. It goes in there snug and tight, kind of holds in place. And then once that's done, you grab this Velcro down here. As you can see here, Velcro and Velcro together to hold it in place. And now we have the cowl for the tail on the LiveWire installed. So that's pretty damn cool. Pretty damn easy too. So if you are gonna have a rider with you, somebody's gonna sit behind you, then it's just a matter of sliding it off and throwing it into your backpack so you can properly get that person on there. But for right now, this is pretty damn cool. So let's close this up. Let's look at it again. Oh my God, this bike is freaking looking wicked every single step. Just more and more to look at. So there it is. There's another angle. Let's go this way. Let's go through here. So there we go. That's how to install the tail section cowl on the Harley Davidson LiveWire. Once again, it is easily to install. You can always just go to a local Harley Davidson dealership that sells LiveWire and get this part, or you can order it online through harleydavidson.com. All right, guys, be safe.